Yes, Uncle. My daddy is not around. It's life now. Oh.
Sissy, wake up. Are you okay?
Come back.
You left the gas on.
I was trying to prepare noodles like how mom did it, but the fire refused coming up.
Oh, God. Why didn't you wait for me?
I was hungry.
Okay. Hey, honey, listen to me. Don't go into the kitchen again. It's not safe. Whenever you're hungry, you tell me. I'll make something for you, okay? I have never been so scared in my entire life. Never. I literally walked into the living room and everywhere was smelling gas. Gas, bro.
You serious?
What would have happened if I didn't come back on time? Was this how I would have lost my daughter?
God forbid, bro. Let's not even talk about that. Let's not talk about that. I mean, you should even be in church by now, giving Thanksgiving.
Like,
Honestly. But, bro, I won't blame the young girl. I mean, she was just hungry.
yeah, I know.
Yeah.
But I went to the market to get something for us. What would have, I'm still trying to imagine what would have happened if I didn't come back on time. Hey,
My brother, let's not imagine that one, no. Let's not imagine that
crazy,
one.
I swear.
What's really your plan? Yeah, because it's been 6 months since your divorce with Beatrice. And it's been from one issue to another, man. And the longer you linger, the more chaos would keep happening. What's your plan?
The plan is we are waiting for our passport to come out so we can leave this country for good.
Right.
So we can start a new life elsewhere. I'm sick and tired of this environment. It reminds me of Beatrice. I don't like it.
I feel you, bro. I feel you. I mean, it's a good thing that the court willed CC to your favor.
What are you talking, bro? There's no way I was going to allow that drug addict, that cheater, have my daughter. So she can spoil her? No, there's no way. There's no way I was going to allow that.
I'm with you, brother.
The only truth is it's affecting us trying to live without her. It's going to be tough for a while, but we don't have a choice. We just have to move on. Yeah, we have to move on. It's time for me to go to her school and pick her up. I was there last week late and she wasn't happy about it.
Sure, that's fine.
Let me pick something upstairs, I'll be back. What is wrong with you? Why are you sad?
I miss mommy. I want to see her. Today in school, my friends were talking about the gifts their mom got them, and I couldn't say anything.
Hey, honey, I'm sorry. I am really sorry. Dad is extremely sorry. Please don't cry. Mommy traveled. She'll be back soon, okay?
When? I really want to see her.
Honey, very soon. I can't really tell when, but I am very sure she'll be back soon. Please, don't cry. Don't do this to Daddy, please.
Can I at least talk to her on the phone?
Where Mommy is, honestly speaking, is very far, honey. But I promise you, when she calls, I'll let you talk to her, okay? Don't do this to Daddy, don't cry. Hello, I'm sorry that you're sorry, okay? I'll go back. Sorry.
I'll leave it behind. So show me what I can find. I'm waiting here on the line.
Hey, my love. You ready to go to school?
Yes, Dad, I am.
Okay, so after school today, I want you to stay put. Daddy will come pick you home, okay?
Dad, could you try coming earlier? You always come late.
I'm sorry, my love. I'll come early today.
Promise?
Think about it. Let's go.
Are you okay?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Why are you sitting all alone here?
My dad asked me to wait for him.
How long have you been waiting for?
For like 2 hours. 2 hours now.
Because this school, they closed like 2 hours ago and you're still seated here.
My dad always comes late to pick me.
You look tired and hungry.
Yes.
Would you like to grab something? I'm actually heading to the supermarket.
Yes, ma.
Okay. We'll come back here and wait for your dad. Okay?
Thank you.
Right. I was actually going to get something for myself.
Leave it behind. So show me what I can find. I'm waiting here on the line. Here on the line. I'll leave it behind. So show me what I can find. I'm waiting here on the line. Here on the line. Ah, 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 ah. You're so close, but so far away. You never hear things that I say. A ghosting.
Where's Sissy? I told her to wait for me here. Sissy! Honey!
you say my name, I feel alive. Wish that I was born in 85, 'cause that'd be...
Desmond, what are you talking about? What do you mean? I just told you now that I cannot find my daughter, and you're telling me to calm down? What? Are you sure? Are you sure? Look, what if she's in the wrong hands? Or what if she saw Beatrice and followed her home? I'm just thinking, bro, oh God. Sissy's going to be mad at me. I promised her that I would come pick her up. I promised her. But I was just carried away by work and the whole lot. Then my mind is messed up big time. Oh, God. Bro, you don't have... I beg. Fine, I'll talk to you. Let me just look around and probably get to the house. Guy, later. Oh, God. I'm sorry, Daddy, sorry. Baby! Honey, what happened?
Daddy!
What happened to you? I told you to wait for me. Why did you leave?
I was waiting for you, but this lovely lady took me to get something because I was hungry. Hello.
Hi. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much for helping my daughter. I really appreciate it.
Don't mention. Actually, it's nothing. This is what I do. I'm a childminder. I take care of kids. So.
Oh, thank you.
My
Thank
pleasure.
you. Honey,
Thank
let's
you.
go.
Lovely to meet you.
Bye.
Let's go.
Bye.
Thank you. Get into the car. Hey, honey. You got me scared. I was so worried about you.
All right.
Go in.
So she took me to the supermarket and she got me ice cream and biscuits.
That is very thoughtful of her. She must be a very kind woman.
Yes.
So, she didn't tell you her name?
No, she didn't. Daddy, this is fair. You left my dad your son.
Hey, baby, Daddy is sorry, okay? Dad is really, really, really sorry. I was distracted at work. I don't know how I totally forgot about your closing time. But Dad is really sorry.
I wish Mom was here. She would have come pick me up from school.
Honey, look. Dad just apologized. He is sorry. And it's not going to happen again. I promise you it's not going to happen. I'll always come pick you up, okay?
Promise.
Cross my heart.
Pinky promise.
Here we go again with Pinky promise. Fine. We're back again. Pinky promise. Come here. You need to sleep early so you wake up early for school tomorrow.
Okay.
All right, so. Get on. Relax.
Good night.
You've not said your prayers. Close your eyes. Talk to God. Quietly. No. Talk to God in your heart. Okay, let's pray. Heavenly Father, we thank you for today.
Dad,
Yes, darling.
please could you help with my assignments?
Honey, not now. Daddy is really busy.
But Daddy, you always said I should have my sister by 3 p.m. So I want to do my assignment now. I'm also submitting it tomorrow.
Honey, can we do this some other time?
I'm submitting it tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guy, stop laughing. It's not funny. It's not.
Guy, have you looked at yourself lately? Bro, you look stressed, man. You need to rest.
Now, what do you have me do? What do you expect me to do? Sissy won't stop requesting I assist her with her assignment. And I had to teach her certain things to aid her understanding.
Yeah.
I had to do it. And I have to submit this proposal tomorrow morning. It's draining, I swear. I'm tired.
Look, man, I understand. I understand everything you're saying, okay, but Paul, listen. Have you tried to, maybe get a nanny or something? Yeah, to help out with all of this.
Nanny?
Yeah, nanny.
Please, stop. Don't even go there. What are you talking? What, nanny?
Yes?
I can't stand the sight of anyone else in this house living without it. It's not possible. And you know how much I detest women. Of course, a nanny is going to be a woman. Please, suggest something else, not...
Paul, it's for your own good, man. I mean, no, listen to me. I mean, that way you would reduce all of this chaos happening. Just think about it.
Can you come up with something else?
No vex, sorry.
Good. If you don't have anything else, just...
Sorry,
okay.
no vex.
I'll leave it behind. So show me what I can find. I'm waiting here on the line, here on the line. I'll leave it behind. So show me what I can find. I'm waiting here on the line, here on the line. You're so close, but so far away. You know, hear things that I say, a ghost in the streets of my pain. Oh, don't make me wait. I love it when you talk in perfect rhyme. When you say my name, I feel alive. Wish that I was born in '85, 'cause then I'd be a girl you like. You're so close, but so far away. You never hear things that I say, a ghost in the streets of my pain. Oh, don't make me wait.
Sissy.
He's posting him and I have a test this morning.
Oh, God.
Dad.
I'm sorry, my love.
I have a test this morning. Over here.
Yeah, let me hurry up.
Hey, you don't mean it.
Okay, it's not funny. It's not funny at all. I literally slept on the couch. I slept off. Sissy had to come wake me up by past 10 to remind me of her test. I felt really embarrassed, but I had to find a way to hide my face so she won't notice. To make matters worse, bro, none of her uniforms were clean enough for her. She had to use her usual clothes to school and just pray they allow her write her test.
Bro, what? How else do you want me to tell you this? Eh? I mean, the next thing now is you forget your key and then the both of you will probably sleep outside. Come on, man. Come on. Look, I get it. I understand that you're still trying to recover from what happened between you and your ex. But look at you, man. You're always looking worn out every time. And it's affecting your daughter. Look, at least for the sake of this girl, for the sake of your daughter, get a nanny. Get one.
I'm seriously considering that.
Ah!
Because I can't keep doing this. I can't continue like this.
Exactly. Don't worry, I'll help you. Right, I will check for the best and then we'll see what their offer is.
Please get me a good nanny.
Sure.
Bring nonsense to my house. You know I hate nonsense.
I got you, bro. I got you.
I can't continue like this. I can't keep disgracing myself in front of my daughter.
I mean, finally, I've been trying to tell you this. Get a nanny. Every time you're worn out. Huh? Just look at you.
It's okay. Don't insult me.
I got worn out. Stressed man.
Let's go in the kitchen in case you want to eat.
Ah, bro, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good.
You have to eat something, okay?
I'm not hungry.
Why?
Dad, I missed my test this morning because I was late. My friends were even laughing at me because I was not putting on my school uniform.
That is really, really sorry. I was so tired and weak last night.
That's the same thing you always say. I just want my mom.
Hey, look. I'll make it up to you, okay? It won't happen again, I promise you.
I want my mom. I want my mom.
Can you at least eat something? You can't starve yourself. Hey, that is snowflake. Please eat. What is your name?
Sarah Edwards.
I am trying to match where I have seen your face before.
It must be from the day when I saw your daughter waiting out, and I offered to wait with her until her parents showed up.
Oh. You're one of the good Samaritans, right?
Guy, really? My instincts never lie. I know I've seen this face before. I have heard what you said, and I'm really impressed, coupled with the fact that you helped my daughter the other day. Like I mentioned earlier, you will have to live with us for about 3 months or 4 months until I'm able to secure a visa to travel out of the country. Is that fine by you?
That's fine, sir.
That's all right. Come, let me show you around. So this is the kitchen. That's the storeroom. And this is where I store my spices and all of our lockers. Let me show you the other places. Oh yeah, sorry, my bad. Forgot. My pot and let me show you other places. Let's go. I am a very busy person, and your help here will go a long way. All you have to do is take care of the house, prepare my daughter for school, help her with her assignments, cook, and make sure the house is okay. Most importantly, mind your business. Don't indulge in things I haven't directly involved you in. Am I clear?
Yes.
And also, I love fresh food. A lot. Yes. So every time you want to serve me, make sure the food is fresh. Lastly, my daughter is a handful. You just have to be patient with her.
Okay.
And I hope you both get along in no time.
Yes, sir, we will.
That will be all for now. If there's anything, I'll let you know.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Were you eating fresh meals every day before now?
That is why I brought you here. If there's anything, I'll let you know.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Honey, how was school today?
Hi.
Hello, welcome back. How are you?
Good afternoon. Dad, why is she here?
You remember her? She stayed with you the other day when I came to pick you up.
Oh.
She's your new nanny now.
But I don't want a nanny. I want my mom.
Honey, your mom asked her to stay with you till she returns. Yeah.
Since you spoke to mom, why can't I speak to her?
Honey, I promise you, you'll speak to mom next time, okay?
I don't want a nanny. I want a nanny.
Honey. Hey.
It's fine. It's fine.
I'm sorry about that.
It's fine. She's a little child. She'll get around. Hopefully she comes around.
I'll go talk to her.
Let me go prepare her meal.
Okay. Honey.
for you.
I can't do it myself. Leave me alone. I said I can't do it myself.
I know you can do it yourself, but I'm just trying to pace up so we can be fast.
I can. I will do it myself.
Yeah, I know. You're being difficult because you miss your mom and you want her to be here and you don't want me in your house. Unfortunately, I'm here right now, okay? And I'm here to help you so that you don't run late for school. So please, can I just do my job?
I can do it myself. Just leave me alone.
Wait. You know your mom is actually out there working hard to take care of you, to buy you those fashion earrings you love so much, and ice cream and cake and nice things, right?
Are you sure?
I'm sure she'll send them to you soon, okay? And if you let me do my job, I promise I'll play with you when you get back from school.
Promise.
Promise.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. That's a good girl. Yeah. You know, you shouldn't be having mood swings early in the morning. Start your day with joy and happiness. And that way, good things will come to you. Try. Are you picking the bread? It's now your daddy is coming.
Good morning, my beautiful little snowflake. How are you doing?
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning. I guess someone will be going to school late today.
Yes. Auntie Sarah woke me up very early.
That's nice.
Yeah, I woke her up early and tried to get everything ready just so you can beat the traffic.
This is really commendable of you. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome, sir.
I'm sure you must have gone through the kitchen to note what is missing.
Yes, sir.
Text me your account number. I'll send you some money so you can restock. Is that fine?
That's fine, sir.
My love, hurry up. I'll be in the car waiting for you.
Okay.
So you don't go late. We're waiting for you.
You're not having breakfast?
I'm fine. I don't feel too good down in there.
Let's hurry up so your dad won't leave you.
Can't leave me.
Huh?
You cannot leave me.
You can't leave me. I love that. You know you shouldn't drink with your spoon, right? Just put
I'm just listening.
Okay. Wonder who this is. I'm sure she's her mom also. I wonder why she would have left. Or did she die? Fine man, fine woman. They just came together and... This man is hot shower. Damn. Wonder what would have happened. So if you add this to this and then you subtract that, you get the answer.
Oh.
So try out this figure, number 2. Do this one. This is really good. I'm impressed. Well done.
Thank you, Auntie Sarah. I've been really trying to get this algebra into my head. It's been difficult, but I'm sure I'll never forget it.
That's amazing. That's good. Because you did this, I have a surprise for you. This is a surprise I'll bring it for you. But before I bring it, you should try out the rest of them. What do you think?
Okay. Oh, thank you.
One second. Someone is doing some more. I see you're getting it.
Thank God, Sarah. Thank God, Sarah. This was what I actually needed to my brain.
I know, your favorite snack. Give you some more. For the princess and the young man, when they saw each other, they fell in love at first sight. He rescued the princess from the magic spell of the witch, and on reaching back to the palace, the king celebrated their marriage. And guess what?
What?
They lived happily ever after.
Wow, that's a beautiful story.
Yes. So what did you learn from this story?
I learned that it's good to show kindness and to everyone and to honor them.
Exactly. And when you show kindness, you get rewarded. Right?
Yes.
So, how do you apply this to your everyday life in school? I'm sure you guys have cliques. This is my friend. She's not my friend. He's my friend. You know, when you're showing kindness, you show kindness to everyone, not just your friends. Because whatever you give out comes back to you. Good measure, press down, shake it together, and running over.
Okay, Aunt Sarah.
All right, my darling. I love you. Have a good night rest, okay?
Love you too.
Don't forget to pray before you sleep. All right. Don't worry, I'll sit here.
Okay.
Sarah,
Welcome, sir.
why are you sleeping on the couch?
I was waiting for you.
Waiting for me?
Yes, sir.
You shouldn't have. Listen, whenever I don't return before 9 p.m., that means I am very busy at work. You should go to bed. Don't wait for me. Okay?
Okay, I wanted to prepare your dinner. Should I serve it?
No, it's late. I'm not hungry.
Okay, sir.
One more thing.
Hmm?
Could you please start wearing your uniform from tomorrow?
Okay, sir.
Good night. Sissy, what is this? What kind of resort is this? What is wrong with you? You have never failed your tests in the past. How come you're failing now? Why? Sissy, why? You've always come out first and you've always scored 10 over 10. What is 3 over 10? What do you do in this house than to eat and sleep? What? What are you thinking? What? I don't get it. All I want you to do is focus. Focus on your book. Focus on your studies. I want you to know that Dad is not happy with you. Dad is not happy with you at all. You better sit up. If you don't want to see the other side of me again, go to your room.
I'm sorry, Dad. Daddy has never shouted at me before.
Really? Oh. I need to understand, maybe he's actually very, very surprised with your results and upset.
I didn't mean to fail my test. Since Mommy left, things have not been the same.
Sorry. I'm sure you didn't mean to fail your test. You're such a brilliant girl. And you're actually doing your best considering everything that's been going on. You know, Daddy's not here, but I'm actually very proud of you.
I want my mom.
Your mommy will be back soon, okay? In the meantime, I'll do my best to help you. I'll help you prepare for your exams and I'll teach you to study in a way that you will never forget.
You will.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Now, can you remember our confession?
Yes.
Can you say it?
I am a star. I shine brighter and brighter.
Mm-hmm.
I'm beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Jesus loves me, and I will succeed in life. Amen.
That's it. That's the spirit.
Yeah.
You're not defined by your failure. Just because you failed the test doesn't make you a failure, okay?
Come on now. Come on, bro. Look, I'm not in support with you. You see this one? I'm not in support with you at all. You don't try now.
What do you mean by you're not in support with me? What are you talking about?
You don't try. You don't try, bro. That was too harsh.
What are you talking about, Desmond? What do you mean that was too harsh? What exactly is your point? Oh, were you expecting me to pamper her? Nah.
Come on, man. Have you thought about the fact that there's probably something wrong, which is why she's failing her test for the first time?
What is wrong, Desmond? What is wrong? What else does she do aside eat and sleep? Why would she fail a test? Why? When I'm here trying to do everything possible to make her have a good life, why would she fail?
Are you okay, bro? Are you actually okay? Okay, so have you thought about the fact that maybe because of the absence of her mom, it's literally messing with her emotionally and mentally? Have you thought about that? Of course not.
You're right.
Of course I am.
I should have known better.
Look, just find a way to, appease her or something. Find a way to appease that little girl. It's not her fault. Don't be too harsh on her, bro. Come on. Just the shout for her. You're just shouting and raising your voice like.
My entire life, I've never worked with someone this difficult. Why does he keep shutting me up? 1 second you ask me something and then the next minute I'm trying to respond, you shut me up. Who does he think he is? Like, who the hell does he think he is? God. You know what I'm still doing here? So disrespectful.
My love, Dad is really sorry about how he reacted the other time. I'm truly sorry. And to prove how sorry I am, I got you a plate of ice cream. Ta-da!
Thank you so much, Dad.
You're welcome,
Thank you.
darling. You're welcome. I hope Dad has been forgiven.
Yes, you have.
Oh.
I'm sorry I failed my tests.
That's fine, my love. It's okay.
Daddy, you guys keep on Sarah too.
No.
Please, could you get ice cream for her? She has done a lot for me.
Okay. I'll get her ice cream too, as long as you're happy.
Thank you, Dad.
I'll do anything for you.
Thank you.
Come in.
But so far away, you never hear things that I say. A ghost in the streets of my pain. Oh, don't make me wait. Oh, 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 oh,
I'm in so much pain. I'm so hot.
Sir, is everything all right?
I'm hurt. Didn't you hear what I said? I'm hurt.
Okay, sorry, sir. Sorry about that.
Why? We were together for so many years.
Okay.
We had CC together.
Hmm.
This was a beautiful family.
Okay.
We spent time together.
Okay.
We were together. But she was a cheat.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go upstairs.
She goes around sleeping with different men. And I satisfy her in bed. I didn't like it. I didn't like it. And she was a drug addict.
Okay.
I didn't want my daughter to grow up having a mother that is a drug addict. It's not good, right?
So let me just take you upstairs.
No, I'm not done.
Okay.
I felt so bad. Yeah, so bad. Why are women like this? Why?
We'll find out tomorrow.
But you're good. You're a good woman. Very good. Very good.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
All right.
You know.
Sometimes.
And that's why I love you. I love you. I love you.
Okay. Right. Sorry about that. Let me just take you upstairs.
You're gonna take me upstairs?
Yes.
Promise me one thing.
What?
Then when we go upstairs, Because you're a good woman. Cuddle me.
Oh no, I'm so sorry, sir. I can't do that.
Small cuddle.
No, it's unprofessional.
Who's talking about professionalism?
So sorry.
Where's my daughter? Please, it's time for school. Get her prepared as soon as possible.
Good morning, sir. She's actually in school as we speak. I dropped her off because
You did what?
I dropped her off at school because she was running late. Is everything all right?
What happened yesterday?
Oh.
Well, I don't seem to remember anything.
You came home very late and drunk.
Drunk?
Yes.
I hope my daughter didn't see me in that state.
Yeah, fortunately she didn't.
What do you mean by fortunately?
Fortunate because your daughter was waiting up for you. You showed up really late and drunk. It's a good thing she didn't see her father in that state.
Well, thank God she didn't see me. And I don't think that is any of your business. So stick to your job and stay focused.
You asked the question, I was only answering.
Stay focused.
Yes, sir.
Prepare something for me to eat. Be fast about it.
Yes, sir.
And when you're done, come upstairs. Call me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Don't you know after you knock, you're supposed to wait for a response before you come in? I'm talking to you.
I wanted to let you know that your food is ready.
All right. It's ready. You can go.
That's so funny.
Yeah.
So, tell me about your mom. That's if you're willing to talk about her.
Okay. She is the most beautiful woman in the whole world.
Really?
And she always took care of me. She bought me ice cream, clothes, shoes, and many other things. But and that fought every time.
You know, they're adults and sometimes adults have their reasons.
I always felt bad watching them fight. One day, I came back from school. I did not find my mom at home. I asked Dad. He said he will make me talk to her. Since then, I've been waiting.
I'm sure your mom and dad have their reasons, but at the right time, we'll talk to your mom. Okay? I'm sorry you had to go through all of this. It's a lot. It's a lot for your little mind.
In the meantime, I would want someone to be my mother.
Okay, maybe we should go out there and search for a mom. What do you think?
Would you please be my mom?
What? Me? Sissy, I don't think so.
You are beautiful and you are a good cook. I want you to be my mother.
Thank you for the compliment, Sissy, but that's not how life works.
You know, my dad really likes scrambled eggs and boiled yam. Maybe one day we'll make it for him.
Sissy, just because you want me to be your mom doesn't mean that your dad will make me your mom.
I'll talk to dad about it.
See, life doesn't work like that.
It does.
Just because you want me to be your mom doesn't mean I have to be your mom. Okay? I will make your dad his favorite meal.
Okay. But you see my mom.
Okay, let's talk about something else. Tell me, do you have any crushes in school?
Jesus.
Oh, don't make me wait.
Auntie Sarah,
Hi.
what are you cooking?
I'm preparing your dad's favorite meal.
Boiled yam and scrambled eggs?
Exactly.
Wow, Dad would be really amazed. I want to learn how to cook. Can I join you?
Okay, if you promise to be quiet, you can sit still and watch me cook.
Okay, mommy.
What did you just say?
I called you my mommy. You don't want to be my mommy?
Instruction was to sit still and don't make noise so you can learn to cook.
Okay.
Wow. Wow. This is my favorite. It's been long I had this.
Yes. So Auntie Sarah to pray for you because it's your favorite thing.
Oh, that's so thoughtful of you, my beautiful little snowflake. Thank you.
And she taught me how to cook too.
She did?
Yes. Dad, can Auntie Sarah join us at the dining to eat?
Sure. Why not?
Auntie Sarah.
Yes?
Please, bring your food and join us at the dining. You heard me. Come eat with us.
Okay, sir.
Are you happy now?
Wow. These buildings are really beautiful.
Yes, they are. Guess who made them?
The best dad in the world.
You guess right.
So humans will actually live here.
Yes, sure. Why not?
Daddy, can I ask you for a favor?
Anything for you, my love.
Can you make Auntie Sarah my mom?
Hmm?
She teaches me. She reads me bedtime stories. And I like that. I begged her to be my mom and she refused. So I was thinking if you could please make her my mom.
Oh, honey. Okay, I'll see what I can do about it.
Okay. Thank you. Yes, I like this one.
I'll leave it behind. So show me what I can find. I'm waiting here on the line, here on the line. I'll leave it behind. So show me what I can find. I'm waiting here on the line, here on the line. far away. You never hear things that I say. A ghost in the streets of my pain. Oh, don't make me wait. Oh, 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 I love it when you talk in perfect rhyme. When you say my name, I feel alive. Wish that I was born in '85, 'cause that'd be a girl you like. You're so close, but so far away. You never hear things that I say. A ghost in the streets of my pain. Oh, don't make me wait. Ah, 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 ah,
I'm so sorry. I didn't hear you call me.
It's fine. I never did.
All right.
I just came to pay your salary.
The month isn't over yet.
I'm choosing to pay you now. Is there a crime in that?
No, actually. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
I should be the one thanking you for all you've done. Especially Cece. She's now better than she's been in the last couple of months. Thanks to you.
Actually, I'm grateful for the opportunity, and I'm only just doing my job.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, sir. I'm extremely sorry. I don't know. I didn't see you coming. Please, I'm sorry, sir. I'm fired, right? It's okay. There's no need of me having breakfast. I'll just drop my stuff in the kitchen and pack my bags and go. But I promise you, this was not intentional. God will vindicate me. I promise I'm actually passionate about my job. I'm passionate about what I do. Sorry.
I'll drop you off at the supermarket so you can get some stuff for the house. Hurry up. Change it to something better. While I go change what you've ruined already.
Yes, sir.
Are you going to sit there and say nothing?
You didn't ask anything. You didn't ask any question. I don't have anything to say.
Right. So isn't it strange that you know so much about us, yet we know nothing about you?
I guess it comes with my job description. It's my job to know everything about you and your family. I mean, professionally. Besides, you never inquired.
Sissy keeps telling me she wants you to be a mother. Why is that?
She says the exact same thing to me, actually. I don't know why she says that, but
Look, if you've ever harbored such thought in your head, kindly take it out because it's never going to happen. Stay focused on your job. By the way, once our visas are out, you stop working for us. So it's not very
I
serious.
actually can't wait for your visas to be out so that Sissy can get a new environment and a breath of fresh air. And quite frankly, I am not considering replacing Sissy's mother.
Yeah. So you're saying you don't love Sissy enough to be a mother?
That's not the question.
Look, you know, never mind. Never mind. I need to stay focused. I'm actually driving.
I thought you said...
You don't drive and talk. I'm trying to stay focused, please.
Okay, sir. Hello. Good evening. Are you looking for someone?
Who are you? And what are you doing here?
I'm the housekeeper, and who are you?
Okay. I came to see my daughter and the owner of the house. I'll go in.
Sorry. You're Sissy's mom, I guess?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry, but he's not around. And I wasn't given any instructions to let you in.
You weren't giving any instructions to let me in.
Yes.
Can I go in?
I wasn't given any instructions to let you in.
Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? So I have to get instructions before I go in and see my daughter. You must be joking. Let me in, please.
Mommy,
Hey! How are you? I've missed you.
after you left us, you said you miss me.
Sissy, it's not what you think.
What should I think? Every time you just go and you come back and you expect me to just be accepting you like that.
Is that what your daddy told you? Huh? It's
No.
deeper than you think. Can we just go inside and talk
No.
about this?
You abandoned me. You abandoned us. Now you are coming back. Me, your favorite girl, you left me. And now you want to come back into my life. Do I look like a doll to you?
I'm sorry,
Am I used for playing games?
I'm sorry, can we go in and talk
No.
about it?
You can finish it here.
It's really not what you think. Stop listening to your daddy.
What kind of mother leaves a child? You didn't even tell me. I waited for you. You left a space in my heart. You left me. Now you want to come back into my life. That you abandoned me and Dad. You left us here.
Listen, you're still a child. You don't know what's going on.
Alright. Thank you very much for your short visit. She doesn't want to see you. The message is quite clear. Please, can you leave?
I will be back.
Hello, lady. What's up? Good evening. My name is Shedra. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Sandra.
Wow, that makes it the double X then. So if you wouldn't mind, I would like to have the contact so I can just
I'm sorry, I
thank
can't
you,
give
right?
you my number.
Oh, why, man?
Whoa,
Because
whoa,
Such a
whoa,
pretty
whoa.
lady.
Whoa. What is going on here? Babe? Who is he? Oh, I am guessing you're one of those guys who can't take their eyes off my lady. That's fine. So
It's
what
okay.
happens if you see our daughter? You'll be
Oh, I
amazed.
didn't know you guys came together, right?
Yeah, we're together. It's fine, bro. It's fine. I mean, I get this all the time. Guys are always after my woman. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, honey, just go inside,
It's nice
please.
meeting you.
Yeah, yeah. Nice meeting you too.
All
Yeah,
right.
nice. Honey, please go inside.
What is that about?
Just go inside. Go.
My man. My guy, you're looking very, very plumpy and all that. Those few days of not seeing you, guy, it be like me, you just bust. Eh? Bro, your nanny is doing a good job.
Well, that is part of her job description. I am paying her heavily for it. So she has to take care of my daughter and I.
My man. Well, this one is way more than a job description. Oh. Yeah, I said it. But wait, guy. Guy, are you blind? No, I'm asking you, are you blind? Bro, you have a full housewife material in your house. Right in your house.
Okay, so what are you insinuating? Where are you driving at?
What do you mean, what am I insinuating? Are you not the one that almost beat up somebody the other day for trying to talk to her?
Bro, that was me acting up.
Oh,
I was
really?
just trying to protect my worker. Nothing serious.
Interesting.
What would you have me do? Fold my hand and see some guy harass her in public? No.
Okay.
That's not possible. I was just protecting her, nothing.
Yeah.
She's my worker, for Christ's sake. She takes care of my daughter.
Yeah, I believe
What
you.
are you saying?
I believe you, bro. I believe you. I mean, for all we
Please
know,
knock it off.
next time now, you probably kill somebody for trying to talk to her again. She's your worker.
Well, calm down. I was just taking care of my daughter's nanny. Nothing serious.
No problem, my guy. But me, I have eyes. Oh. I see good thing and I go for it. So it's like, she's probably just going to be my own wife material.
I don't understand. What are you talking about? Are you okay?
I want to shoot my shot,
That
my
shot
guy.
could kill you. That shot where you want to shoot, you go backfire, kill you. Are you okay? Are you normal?
See problem, oh.
You come to my house, one shoot shot. I don't understand. You don't see girls outside to go shoot shot. What be your problem?
I am seeing something good.
Good.
And I want to go for it.
Bro, hey, look. If you're here to distract my worker, my nanny, stop it. I won't take it lightly. In fact, go do your business. You don't do. Go. You've overstayed your welcome.
Like this.
Go.
Are you not the one that said you're not interested?
Okay, so you want to shoot shots? For who they take care of my daughter? Are you normal at all? Hey, look. Behave yourself. Don't come and distract this poor girl.
Oh, I'm distracting her now.
Yes!
Oh, really?
Don't distract her from taking care of my daughter, please. I don't want it.
I've heard you, no problem.
Sir. Are you okay, sir?
Oh, sorry.
Should I get you anything?
No, I'm fine. Is everything okay?
Yes, I just woke up to get a glass of water. Should I get one for you?
Yeah, I slept off. I was trying to input some records, and it seems like I have barely started. My body begs for sleep so bad. I'll be fine, I'll just finish.
Sir, if you don't mind, I'm actually very good at this. I can help you out.
Don't worry, I can handle this. I can.
Okay. Well, I can really help. I took a course in data input and analysis. I can get it done really quick.
Please be careful.
Yes, sir.
These records are very important. Paul, what exactly is wrong with you? Why can't I stop thinking about her? Why? Till today, I still can't believe I had the guts to tell that guy, "You're my lady." How? Lady? When did I want to start? Paul. But your love for my daughter is genuine, and you've carved a place in my heart. Well, you'll be gone in a matter of weeks. There's really no point holding the thought of you in my head.
Who knows? Who knows where we're going? Who knows where we're going? Say, you're living in my head.
Sir.
I didn't mean what I said. Didn't mean what I said. Can't take back what I said.
You slept off? I didn't ask you to help me. You offered to help, and I accepted. And you slept off? I'm supposed to submit this morning. Oh God, what am I supposed to... Oh. Oh, wow. 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 This is amazing. Wow, this is perfect.
I managed to finish it around 3 o'clock, 3 a.m. I was feeling so tired. I just wanted to take a short nap. I didn't realize that I slept here on the table. I'm sorry about that.
It's fine, it's fine. You did an amazing job. It's fine.
Really?
Yeah, you even rearranged it better than I did. Wow, this is perfect. Thank you so much, Sarah.
I was only just doing my job, trying to help. It's fine.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You know what? I owe you. Yes. I will get you something when
It's okay, sir. I was only just trying to help.
Thank you so much. Wow, I'm late for work already. Thank you so much, Sarah. I am really grateful.
It's fine, sir.
Please say good morning to my daughter when she wakes up.
All right.
Tell her I love her so much and that I'll see you when I'm back. I owe you.
Thank you. Don't mention
Guy, be serious for once. I'm serious now. Stop playing. I'm telling you that I need to get Sarah something, and you're asking unnecessary questions. Guy, just suggest something. Just think of something for me. Are you going to suggest something for me or not? Are you? Okay, fine. She stayed awake all through the night to work for me. Work related before you start thinking of stupid things. No, I don't know what kind of friend you are. Yeah, so I just want to find a way to say thank you to her for a job well done. I knew calling you was the greatest mistake. I knew it. You're a very nonsense, anyhow. I beg, guy, leave my phone. Get off my phone. Bye-bye. So just move the hell. How am I going to get her now? What? A pair of shoes? Wristwatch? Handbag? Ah, come on, Paul. Think. You're smart.
Ability.
Inability.
Accurate.
Inaccurate.
Agree.
Disagree.
Okay, I think you get it now.
Auntie Sarah, when is your birthday?
My birthday. Aren't you getting distracted? You're supposed to focus on what we're doing.
When is your birthday?
Actually, it's next week, Sunday.
Wow, that's really close. Why didn't you tell me?
Why should I tell you? Besides, girl, you're getting distracted. Let's focus on what we're doing.
I will tell my dad to get you a beautiful birthday gift.
I didn't want you to bother yourself.
I will tell my dad to get you a beautiful birthday gift.
No, you don't have to do that.
But you've always taught me also to show kindness, and that's what I'm doing. Meanwhile, my dad said we'll be going to America soon, and I'm so excited.
Really?
Yes.
I'm happy for you.
I hope you'll be going with us.
I'm not sure about that. But let's focus on what we're doing.
Hey, my baby girl, come here. How are you, my love?
Welcome, Daddy.
Are you good?
Yes, Auntie Sarah we're studying. Daddy, Auntie Sarah's birthday is this week Sunday.
Oh, wow, really?
Yes, and I want you to get her a big birthday gift.
Okay, I will. Hey, darling. How about you go upstairs? Daddy wants to have a word with Auntie Sarah.
Okay.
Welcome back, sir.
Thank you. I thought to get you something to say thank you for what you did for me last night. Everyone was amazed at the office. Thank you so much, Sarah. Yeah. This is to say thank you for being so amazing.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you.
How about you get me something to eat? I'm really, really hungry.
Yeah, sure. Congratulations on your visa.
Sissy. Thank you.
Let me fix you something to eat.
Bro, I had to settle for a dress. What is wrong with you, Desmond? Really? Honestly, you're not serious. Sometimes I wonder how we became friends because we don't think alike. We don't. You're something else, I swear. She's here with me. My love, come. Uncle Desmond wants to talk to you.
Hello, Uncle Desmond. I'm fine, thank you. School is fine. Yes. Oh.
Return my phone when you're done. Desmond, keep spoiling now. These people. Sissy, are you okay? What happened? We heard you scream. Is everything all right?
I just don't want to sleep alone.
What happened? Were you having a nightmare?
No.
Okay, so you just screamed.
I was scared. I didn't want to sleep alone.
Oh,
Alright, I'll stay with you.
No. I
Yeah.
want both you and my dad to stay with me.
honey, let Auntie Sarah stay with you. Daddy, I have a whole lot to do, okay? I have some documents to submit tomorrow morning. I'm working on it. So please, Daddy cannot stay with you tonight. Maybe some other time, all right?
Dad, please. It's been long you stay with me.
Yes, honey. I just told you now that I have a lot to do. I promise you next time, honey, Daddy will be with you, okay?
Please.
Oh. Yeah, it's all right. We will stay with you.
Thank you. Let's sleep.
Yeah. No, maybe you go to the other side house. I'll just stay and watch over you guys. God, I still have a whole lot to do.
Good night.
Good night, sunshine. Sissy. Sissy, are you okay? Sissy, are you in the restroom? Sissy?
What is it? Is everything okay? She's step outside. Oh, God.
Sissy.
What is it?
Sissy!
The door is locked?
Yes, the door is locked.
Sissy!
Sissy!
Honey, open the door. Daddy needs to go to work. It's late. Honey, can you stop this? Daddy, you need to stop this. Sissy! Honey!
Hey. She locked us in on purpose. She had this all planned.
Oh no. Sissy, open the door. Look.
Sissy, please!
Honey, stop the joke, okay? That is really serious right now. I need to go to work. It's late. It's getting late. I have an appointment, please. Oh, not again. Not again.
Sissy!
Not again.
Let's talk about this, please.
Yeah, you're giving up already.
Sissy!
I need to go to work. I have a whole lot to do. Oh my word. Sissy's a whole vibe. She's a drama queen.
She's actually a handful.
I'm telling
She
you.
wants to be.
Yeah. It's safe to call her a drama queen.
Yeah. Sometimes she's actually a sweetheart.
Yeah. I love her so much. I love being around her. It makes me happy. But the drama part, is always something else. I know you're curious to know about her mom.
Yes, I am.
We're together. We're living happily. Beautiful family. All of a sudden, she started taking hard drugs. She started living a wayward life. Coming home late. Doing all sorts of negative things. I told her about it. I warned her about it. Told her to stop, but she was enjoying it. I didn't want Sissy to leave, to grow up having such a mother. I don't want my daughter to have a bad life. And so I filed for a divorce. Yeah. Because she was taking drugs, staying late, doing all sorts of negative things. I had to. And luckily for me, the court ruled in my favor and granted I take full responsibility of the child, full custody of her. I didn't want any of this, but I had to because of Sissy. It's been tough. It's been really, really tough trying to play the role of a father and a mother at the same time. You have to wake up very early in the morning, prepare her for school, make something for her to eat, take her to school before I head to work. Then, in the middle of my walk, I have to leave when she's closed. Go pick her up, bring her back to the house. It's been tough, but I'm doing this for my daughter. I love her so much.
Do you know what I think?
What?
I think you are the most amazing dad. Sissy is lucky to have you. I know you're not perfect. You make mistakes here and there. Sometimes you're late, sometimes you show up, sometimes you don't. But E for effort. And that's what counts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
E for effort. But all thanks to you. You made everything easy. Thank you. Thank you for loving and taking care of Cece like your own daughter.
She's so easy to love. Honestly, she's a sweetheart.
Yeah, she is.
Even with her drama.
Sis!
Good morning.
Honey!
Do that.
Why? Desmond, what is wrong with you? Why did you tell my daughter to lock Sarah and I inside the room? Why would you do a thing like that, Desmond?
Why won't I do a thing like that, Paul? No, why won't I? I mean, she just kept ringing in my ear how she wanted Sarah to be her mom. And I couldn't come up with any other plan than that. So I had to do what I had to do.
Wow, amazing. Thumbs up for you, bro.
Please rest. Bro, what is your problem, man? Look, what is your problem? You like this girl, right? So just conquer your fear and tell her how you feel. That's all you have to do. Tell her your intentions.
I'm scared, bro. I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't want the same thing to repeat itself again, or even worse. Look, I swore never to have anything to do with any woman in my entire life again. So I don't know why she's making me have a second thought.
Paulo. Look, I understand, right? I understand. But, I mean, come on now. How long will you keep moving in a cycle of fear? For how long? Bro, just tell her how you feel, man. Don't go and lose something valuable that is in front of you. Right?
What does it matter? What? My daughter and I are leaving the country next week. What does it matter? This too shall pass away. And I'll be fine.
If you say so, bro. If you say so. I mean, I don't try for a matter.
But I beg. That thing when you do, not do them again. Don't repeat it, please.
Bro, you know go tell me what to do.
Why you go?
You cannot tell me what to do.
Tell my daughter to lock both of us in the room.
I don't care. I don't care.
I'm just gonna feel like that. Like I said earlier, Cece and I will be traveling out of the country next week. I just thought I should let you know about it.
That's beautiful.
Yes, it is. With that being said, I just want to inform you that your services will no longer be needed anymore. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you for being there for my daughter. Thank you for being there for me. The honest truth is that no material thing will be enough to appreciate you. Nah, you've been amazing.
Thank you, sir. It's actually been an honor serving this family and taking care of Sissy. She's been like a little sister to me, and she reminds me a lot of me when I was her age.
Are you tearing up?
No,
You're crying, Sarah.
no, I have some allergies and
Allergies? Are you sure? Or you can talk to me.
just, I'm going to miss Sissy a lot. I've grown so fond of her.
It's all right. She's such a vibe. A whole vibe. She's an adventurous young kid. I understand how you feel. But please don't tear up. Please. We're going to miss you too a lot. A whole lot. It's fine. On that note, I'll transfer you some money. So you could start up a business or anything you want to do. It's to show you that we really appreciate all your effort. Good night.
Good night.
What are you really doing, Paul? What? Are you sure this is a good idea? I mean, are you going to allow a rare gem slip through your fingers just like that? No. Of course not. I have to open up to her. I have to tell her how I feel. It's better to get a no from her than to conceal all this love and feelings and affections I have for her. I have to open up. She better not say no. She better not say no. Because I'm really going to be heartbroken. I do always find myself in this kind of situation. Why, Paul?
I'm having a feeling someday, somehow. I'm having a feeling. I'm having a feeling.
fine. She's running temperature.
What do you mean she's not feeling fine?
They went to her room now. She was covering herself with a blanket and shivering. Daddy, come, I don't want anything to happen to her.
I wonder what would have happened if Sissy didn't tell me about this. Huh?
I'm sorry, I didn't want to inconvenience anybody.
Regardless, Sarah, I should have known about it. You are part of this family now. So you should tell me everything. What if something bad had happened to you? I'll never forgive myself. I'm sure this is because of the hard work and the stress you've been going through since you came here. Please try to tell me things next time. Don't keep things to yourself, I beg you.
No, I didn't think it was.
No matter what, Sarah, please tell me. I don't want something bad to happen to you. At all. It's fine.
Where we're going? Who knows where we're going? Said you're living in my head. I didn't mean what I said. Didn't mean what I said. Can't take back what I said. Somehow I'm having a feeling. I'm having a feeling. Someday, somehow, I'm having a feeling. I'm having a feeling.
Daddy, we had see her become with us to America.
No, she won't.
But why?
It's because when we go to America, we will have to start life afresh. We won't be needing her services anymore.
No. I want her to come with us to America. I want her to be my mother.
You want her to be your mother.
Yes.
So why do you want her to be your mother?
Because she's kind, she's beautiful, and she takes care of me.
Oh, wow. That is amazing. So has she told you she wants to be your mother too?
Well, she hasn't, but I know she wants to be my mother.
Honey, how about you allow Dad think about this for a while?
I didn't mean what I
Okay.
said.
Okay.
Didn't mean what I said. Can't take back what I said.
Okay, come.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Can you walk? Just walk. Gradually. Sorry. God, you need to be careful. Sorry. Oh, God. What have you done? Sorry.
Ow.
Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you.
Please be careful next time. This could have been worse.
Well, there won't be a next time because I'm leaving tomorrow. I need to go resume my job search for a new placement since you guys are traveling soon.
Oh, well. But anywhere you find yourself, just be careful.
I will. Thank you, sir.
What if I ask you to stay? Will you?
Sorry?
What if I ask you to stay back? Will you?
I'm sorry. I don't understand what you mean. Stay while you travel or stay to do what?
Sarah, it's no longer a secret that I have come to love you, even deeper than I could ever imagine. Yes. I know you must have noticed it. You're smart. Look, I've tried to move on. I've tried to kill it several times. I've tried to live like you don't exist, but it becomes even harder every day. I really love you.
Sir, I don't know what to say. I know how Sissy feels about me, and I know she wants me to be a part of her life. If she's the reason why you're doing this, you really don't have to. I would always keep in touch as much as I can.
I am not solely doing this for her. I'm also doing this for me. You've touched my life in various ways. Ways that I could never imagine. You've been amazing to me, to my daughter, and to this family. And from my deepest heart, I appreciate it. I really love you, Sarah. I've been fighting so hard to let go, but it's so tough. Look, I know my actions must have betrayed my words before and even now, but please believe me, it's the truth. I am serious. I love you.
I love you too.
You do?
From the very first day I saw you, I've always had a soft spot for you. I just had to be professional and ignore my feelings, but to hear you say this means a lot. Honestly, I know my gender has treated you badly and you probably have had your fair share of, pain, but I'm glad that the feeling is mutual and that you feel this way.
Yes, I do. Hey, how about you come with us to America so we can start life together as a family? Not as a nanny, as my woman. Please.
It's a lot. Can you just give me some time to think this through?
It's fine. Take all the time you want. Yeah. So, how? You feel better now?
Yes, actually.
Can you walk?
I'm sure I think I'll try.
You need help? Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Walk. Careful. Yeah, this is really good.
You don't mean it.
Honestly, bro, this is literally the best days of my life.
I'm telling you.
I'm serious. I've never had so much peace like I've had in the last couple of days. Sarah is a blessing and more to me and my family. She's amazing. She's beautiful. She's hardworking. She's every man's dream. She's an angel, actually. You know, at first I thought she was going to say no to me. I was really scared. But then she said yes. It's a thing of joy, trust me. I just don't know how to express myself, but I'm really, 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 really excited.
I feel you, bro. I feel you, bro. And I'm really, really happy for you, my guy.
Thank you. Thank you.
You know, this is how you would have just allowed this precious, valuable thing to just pass you by.
Bro.
Eh? All you had to do was just air your mind. Eh? I'm really happy for you. My brother.
Oh, thanks to you, man.
My man.
You did an amazing job. Thank you for being a true friend.
Thank you, my brother.
And a brother.
Thank you, my brother.
I love, bro.
I got you.
Like,
I got you.
I can't believe we're literally leaving this country tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'm gonna miss everywhere, the environment, and a whole lot of memories, but not the one of Beatrice, actually. I'm gonna miss everything, of course. But I'm happy I'm living with a beautiful soul, Sarah. Thanks, man.
I'm really happy for you, bro. I'm
I
really,
think
really.
we need to celebrate.
Oh yeah,
Let
sure.
me get you.
My favorite.
I'll be back.
Wait, though. I hope you're not forgetting that you still give me that Gucci palm.
I got you. When I'm there, I'll send it to you. Relax.
My man.
Bro, you are more than a friend. Thanks. I have something important to tell you.
Dad, what's that?
Guess.
We'll be going to America.
You know about that already. Guess something else. Just think.
I can't. Just tell me.
Just try something else. Okay, fine. I'll help you. Auntie Sarah and I are now an item. I mean, we are official. So, you just got yourself a new mom.
Wow. Thank you, Dad. Thank you so much.
I'm so happy for you, my love. I know you've always wanted this.
You're the best dad in the world.
Thank you.
Hey, come here. Oh, my big baby. I love you so much.
Thank you for saying to my mom.
Oh,
I
who
love
wouldn't
you
want,
too.
who wouldn't want to be your mom?
So, honey, how about you go
Oh,
upstairs
beautiful
and
girl.
get me my phone in my room?
Okay.
Hurry up, hurry up.
What?
Hey. I just want to say thank you
Thank you for what?
for loving me, for loving my daughter,
Really?
for loving this family. Thank you for accepting to start a new life with us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Despite my inadequacies, you still love me and my daughter. I want to assure you that if you ever have the need to cry, it'll be tears of joy. I promise you that. Guys, I'm ready. Let's go. We're running late, so don't miss our flight. Hey.
You want to travel with my daughter? Is that okay? Is something wrong with you?
What are you doing
Wait,
here?
you're traveling with my daughter without my consent. What kind of wickedness is that?
Beatrice, what are you doing here? I told you not to come to this place again.
What right do you have to travel with my child without my consent? Huh?
Because you've been a terrible mother.
Huh.
Yes. And the courts gave you orders not to come 1 inch close to her. So please, stay out of our way.
There's no way you're traveling outside with my daughter without my consent. It's not possible. You're not going anywhere.
Beatrice, don't
You're
push
not
me.
going anywhere.
If you have any issue, go to the courts.
What court?
Let's go.
Come and go. Let me see.
For the other side. Yeah, it's fine. Go to the other side. No problem. It's this for Christy. What is wrong with you?
You're not going anywhere with my daughter. You're not going anywhere with my daughter. Come and go.
Alright, just take the tube there, okay? I think I need to call the police.
Let me see how you will travel with her.
Get into the car. Go on.
So you want to enter that car, eh? Okay.
Beatrice, I'm trying to control myself. Please, don't push me.
You're so wicked. How do you want to travel with my child without telling me? Without my consent?
Because you have been living a wayward life. And I can't have my child grow around you or stay around you. So you don't corrupt her. Excuse me, I want to pass.
Didn't it fit to tell your mommy? That's what he's been telling you. That's what he's been teaching you. No problem, right? You want to go with her? Go with her. I will file another lawsuit. You think you've won? I will file another lawsuit and see how you're going to get custody.